Good morning, Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Market Strategist with MF Global. Today is Friday. Happy Friday. Well needed. A lot of volatility. Stock index future comments in the morning, mid-morning. And, you know, obviously today's the 28th of October. We still have one more day till the end of the month. A little window dressing here and there, but the real story yesterday, this big green line breakout really was the confirmation that they have a deal in Europe. And that's unbelievable. But now I've said all that and chasing yield and all the mutual funds needing to chase this index, the S&P December future contract. What do we have on the docket today? And by the way, GDP yesterday, which I announced, was pretty decent good. Today, income 0.1, spending 0.6, employment cost index 0.3, and Michigan sentiment 60.9. Michigan sentiment beat the street, but everything else was a little weak, but in the parameters. So I'd have to say that we started off just a little weak. Some people think that they'll book profits to lock it in to show that they were chasing yields and they're beating the index. Obviously, we have a huge bull run. We had some resistance up here around the 1300 area. We did get past 90 about. So I'd have to say that, you know, it's a wait and see attitude. If you have profits, if you caught most of this move, if you've been long from here, you might want to raise your stop up and make it real tight. If you're bearish and you think that this is well overdone, and by the way, this is the best October that we've had in gaining yields in the stock market in the S&P 500 in probably 50 years in any one October. And when we were down here, we were entering the bear market. 3 weeks later, we are positive on the year. So it's almost incredible that you can go from a high probability of depression or recession to an expansion where it looks like everything is going to be fine. So have a great weekend. Money management is key. Remember, always trade futures or option. The futures involves a risk of loss, not suitable for everyone. And have a great weekend.